Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another quick tip to know whether how you can uninstall an application or program from your device having Windows 11. Well, since Microsoft is moving from Skype to Microsoft Teams, it may not be needed anymore. So to remove or uninstall this program from your device, go to Settings and then click on Apps. Here under Installed Apps, you can find all the application installed on your system. Here, either you can find Skype by scrolling down, or you can search it here. Then click on this ellipsis icon, and then just click on Uninstall. It will uninstall this program from your device, and this is how you can uninstall an application or program from your device having Windows 11. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.